Hi, doctor. My name is Ashar and I'm with Patient Max, which is a division of strategic marketers. We're a digital ad agency that helps doctors and practices just like yours get new, high quality, high value patients. So, what I'm going to do in this video, real quick, is go over a couple of recent case studies for several different practices all across the United States that we delivered a ton of new leads to. So the first one we're going to go into is Frederick Perio, which is a periodontist out of Frederick, Maryland, and he needed new implant patients for his practice. So what we did is we created a campaign using Facebook, and we got him a ton of new free evaluation prospects for his business. So as you can see here, we got him 80 new requests for a free evaluation for implants for only $29 per lead. And here's a quick sample of one of the ads we ran. So we just talked about his practice. We talked about how he is very, very talented with his team, and we just asked the people in the local area to contact him. The next practice we worked with was First Hill Dental Center, which is out of downtown Seattle. And he wanted new patients for his practice in the highly competitive market of downtown Seattle. So we set up a Sonicare promo campaign for him, and we were able to get him 78 new patient leads for only $25 a lead. And here's a sample of one of the ads we ran for him. Then the next campaign we're really proud of, which was for the University of Washington's Dental Fears Clinic. Now for their campaign, they have a clinic that specializes in people who have a fear of dentists, and we created a landing page for them called the UW, or University of Washington Dental Fears Clinic. Created a simple landing page that talked about why they specialize in this, and we ran a campaign. We were able to get them 235 consult requests for only $14 per consultation. And here's some of the ads we ran for their campaign. Just talking about some of the issues that this target demographic faces, that they're afraid of the dentist because of fear, whatever the case may be. And then we let them know that it's a no judgment environment and that they provide gentle care for their patients. And you can see the results and the comments and shares really resonated with that audience. We're able to really get granular with our targeting people that are employed, that are affluent, that have made oral and healthcare purchases in the past, a bunch of different things. We're able to target within a 5 to 10 or 15 mile radius of your practice, however far you want us to go out. Now the next patient is out of West Bloomfield, Michigan, which is an affluent suburb of Detroit. Here we have our client, New Orchard Dentistry, and Dr. Nashaf. We got him 96 leads for the Sonicare promo for only $32 a lead. And Dr. Nashaf, he has been very thorough with his tracking, and he has pretty much canceled his direct mail campaigns that he runs, the postcard campaigns that you may be familiar with, and he's gone all in with us with the digital, because he's noticing from his tracking that the patients that come from our campaigns, not only do they come and have a high lifetime value and high case acceptance rate, but they also refer other patients. So they have primary and secondary referral sources that he's tracking all these patients. So he found that this is very, very profitable for him, and only with the $3,000 ad spend. As we know, if one of these patients becomes a good patient, their lifetime value is well over $4,000 to $5,000 or $6,000. So this is some of the stuff we're able to do, and that's only over his entire lifetime of his spend. And then here's one of the sample ads we ran for him as well, as you can see right here. So this is what we do. We run these really effective marketing campaigns for practices just like yours. Now, if you didn't know, Facebook, 1 out of 6 people on the entire planet has Facebook. The average person spends 20 minutes a day on Facebook, checking their news feed, checking a bunch of different things. So that's exactly where we place our ads. You might have noticed sponsored ads in your news feed on your Facebook, the same way you probably might have found us, our company. So it's really, our offer is pretty straightforward. We've sent you the details. If you have any questions, let us know. We're excited to get started with you right away. Thank you.